In this video, we are going to learn how to buy and sell coins on Bybit without any issue. Once you deposit through P2P and get your USD, it will be on funding. So what you need to do is click on this transfer here. Once you click on transfer, now you are going to transfer the USDT to your trading account. So click on mass, then you confirm. Then the money will now come to your trading account. Now from this trading account, you can trade your future, spots, and whatever. Okay? What you need to do is either you click on this spot, you see spot here, or you click on home. So let's just say we are clicking on home. Then you have to search the coin that you want to buy. Let's say we are buying Dogecoin. Then you see Dogecoin, Doge USDT on spot. Make sure that you are selecting the one on spot. You will see the one on perpetual. Okay? Now this is for futures trading. This is for futures. Now futures trading is different from spot. Once you are trading spot, it means that you are buying and you are also holding. And also it means that you are buying. When you see profit, you can now sell and take your profit. I will tell you how to take your profit. 3 ways to take your profit. Make sure that you listen to me carefully. So we are not trading futures. So this one cancelled. Don't go for this one. Don't go for this one. Go for this one that is on spot. Make sure that you are selecting the one on spot. You will see the one on perpetual. Okay? Now this is for futures trading. This is for futures. Now, futures trading is different from spot. Once you are trading spot, it means that you are buying and you are also holding. And also, it means that you are buying. When you see profit, you can now sell and take your profit. I will tell you how to take your profit. 3 ways to take your profit. Make sure that you listen to me carefully. So we are not trading futures. So this one cancelled. Don't go for this one. Don't go for this one. Go for this one that is on spot. Now, we are clicking on Doge. Okay? So, you have to choose either on USDT quantity or on Doge quantity. So, for example, you want to purchase 5 Doge and you don't know how much it is on USD. Just click on 5 Doge. You'll see the amount. But if you want to purchase it via USDT level, let's say we are buying 20 Dogecoin. Okay, good. Now you will see the amount of Doge it will give you. Now click on buy. Then you click on buy Doge again. You wait. Your order will be filled. You will see successfully filled here. Hope you saw it. Now let's go back to assets. Click on your unified trading. Then you will see the Doge that you purchased is there now. So from this place, you can now withdraw. Before you withdraw, you have to still go to transfer and put it on your funding before you withdraw. Now, there are 2 ways to take your profit when your coin has increased. First is this. It's either, for example, this $20 now has turned to $50. So your capital is $20. So it's either you sell and take the $20 out and leave your profit there first, or you take your profit, like the $30 addition, you take it and leave the $20, which is your capital there, or you sell everything and get your USD. That's get your $50 USD. Now, when the Dogecoin has decreased in price, you can also repurchase. This is 3 ways you can take your profit. So this method is best known to you. I cannot tell you which method you will use. No, you have to decide for yourself. So on this point, I'm also selling back. So you also see how to sell your tokens. Okay. Now, if you want to sell, it's either you click that Dodge. Now you go to Trig. So click onto this section. You will see sell. Before we choose buy. Now we are selling. Now click on sell. So you can also click on mass over to this section. You see? Now you click on sell on this spot. Order. Then you wait. It will be submitted. Once it is submitted, you will now scroll up. You will see it here. Okay, so let's wait, let it sell. If you can see, the order has been filled. Okay, now you have to go back to your assets. Now click on your unified trading. Now on your unified trading, you will see that your UST has been sold. I hope you are seeing it. It has been sold. So this is how you buy and sell your tokens. So with this method, you are going to get everything right. There's no way you will tell people to teach you how to do this thing. You have literally learned how to do that. Nobody is going to scam you. All right. Now you have gotten that knowledge on how to trade, how to buy, and how to sell. So make sure that you subscribe to this channel and follow me on Twitter. Stay tuned so that you are not going to miss any updates. Thank you so much.